All throughout documented history, there has been tales of locks to secure ancient graves, coveted books, and buildings. From ancient Egypt, medieval times, to the modern locks of today, locks have endless uses in our daily lives. This video guide covers several of the most common locking mechanisms. Combination locks. Combination locks can be found in a multitude of applications. This includes high school locker combination locks, bicycle locks, and even the most secure type of combination locks that secure bank vaults. Mortise locks. Mortise locks offer compact design, high security, and ornate features not typically found in the residential locks of North America. Mortise locks are placed into the door by cutting a pocket in which it is installed. Electronic locks. With advances in modern technologies, electronic locks are beginning to become popular for their functionality and high security. Electronic locks often connect to access systems and can be operated remotely, allowing for endless applications. Padlocks. Whether it is a lock gate, a bicycle, or security boxes, the padlock is a common item found in modern society. With hundreds of different brands and endless possibilities, the padlock is probably the most universal of all locking